You are all welcome to join us for a free introduction to the Silva Method. This is a live webinar which is designed to provide an excellent introduction to the Silva Method so that you can discover for yourself what it's all about and what it can do for you. You will get a glimpse of the powerful, practical and easy to use Silva techniques and principles that have helped millions worldwide just like you. During this webinar, you will learn the importance of relaxation, and you will be guided in a deep meditation that will make you feel relaxed and good. You will discover how Silva uses techniques to use our brain and mind in a different and special manner that will enable you to find solutions to problems and achieve the outcomes you're looking for, whether it's for health, relationships, finances, careers, or any other area of your life. There will also be a question and answer session to allow you to explore all the benefits of the Silva Method Foundation training course before making a decision. So, if you are looking to improve your life, seize this unique opportunity and register now on our website to find out more about the Silva Method to take the first steps towards a more controlled, peaceful and empowered you. Everyone is welcome, and we look forward to seeing you there.